Hello kids! Today we will learn reading and forming sentences. Pattern I see a. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Before starting, do click on the red subscribe button to watch more fun videos every day. Let's get started. I see a dog. Again. I see a dog. Your turn to read. Very good. I see a ball. Again. I see a ball. Your turn to read. Very good. I see a car. Again. I see a car. Your turn. Very good. I see a toy. Again. I see a toy. Your turn. Very good. I see a bird. Again. I see a bird. Your turn. Very good. Let's revise. So what will you say when there is a book in front of you? Correct. I see a book. Very good. What will you say when there is a pencil near you? Correct. I see a pencil. Very good. What will you say when there is a bag in front of you? Correct. I see a bag. Can you form 5 sentences using I see a pattern? And would you like to meet Teaching Mama in the next video? Are you excited to know what your teaching mama is going to teach you next. I'm excited too. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.